Hey guys, Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, to break the news to you that taking care of a yacht can be quite a lot of work. And if you plan on being the owner-operator of your boat, well, there might be a more affordable option for you, a more flexible option, an on-demand option for you instead of hiring a captain and a crew. And that would be what's called a yacht manager. I just use the term, an on-demand manager. They keep the boat turnkey for you for when you visit from New York, from California, wherever you're coming to Miami, to Fort Lauderdale to use the boat, it's there ready to go for you. They're gonna check on the systems, they're gonna clean the boat, they're gonna make sure the contractors that come on board are doing what they're supposed to do so it's not your headache. This is a really common option for people that purchase newer boats that aren't as old, that don't require quite as much maintenance, and again, they're gonna operate the boat themselves, whether they're gonna be the captain or take someone along as a mate. It keeps the boat in turnkey condition. What they are their former captains that don't want to live in crew quarters and be at an owner's beck and call anymore. They come on land, they have pets, they have families, they have a couple different boats to oversee and to manage. So you can expect a yacht manager to cost about $30 to $50 a foot, depending on how rigorous of a maintenance schedule you want them to put into place. Are they going to be cleaning the boat twice a month? Are they going to be doing the teak once every 6 weeks? Checking strainers every week? Turning on engine systems? Whatever it might be. But it can be a really great option for those that don't want the commitment or the cost of a full-time captain. So, although I'm not a yacht manager, I know a couple great ones that work in the area, and I'll be more than happy to recommend them to you. But again, if you didn't know this was an option, I hope now you realize it is. And yacht management for super yachts is a totally different thing, so that will be a video for another time. But if you learned something new, give the video a big thumbs up, and be sure to check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com, and feel free to reach out to me with any other questions that you might have regarding anything yachting. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friend.